Ordering of numbers, ascending order. When we write the numerals from the smallest to the greatest, the order is known as the ascending order. Example: arrange these numerals in the ascending order. 3,52,156, 48,801, 63,185, 99,512. Solution. On comparing the given numerals, we find that. So the ascending order of the given numbers is 48,800, one less than 63,185, less than 99,512, less than 3, lakh 52,156. Descending order. When we write the numerals from the greatest to the smallest, the order is known as the descending order. Example: arrange these numerals in the descending order. 40,570, 48,520, 4,50,800, 41,725. Solution. On comparing the given numbers, we find that. So, the descending order of the given numbers is 450,800 greater than 48,000, 520 greater than 41,000, 725 greater than 40,570.